let's see, this here is 6. We can look at 7. 7 states that what is the next value of 1, I, 2, L, 3, O, and 4 here. So I have this pattern 1, I'll do 1 like this, and then I, and 2, I'll write I like this, 2, and then L, 3, O, and then 4, and then blank here. And I want to know what my next value here. So again, as you can see, look, if you look at all the numbers here, it's increasing from 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that's good. And then I have here, leave your letters, right? I have I, L, O, right? I, L, O, and then some type of number here. So basically how I would like visualize this again, how they chosen to visualize this here is actually the correct method, right? So again, I have I here. What is the value of I? Or actually, this is L. I think it's L actually. Sorry, this here is L. Actually, no, I think this is I. This is I. Sorry, this here is I. So what letter of what number does it correspond in terms of what's the order of I in the alphabet? So you have A is number 1, B is 2, and then C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I is the 9th letter of the alphabet, right? So I can translate this kind of letter to this one here would equal 9 here. L would be, let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. L here would give me the 12th alphabet. L, N, M, O would give me 15. And finally, if it's 15 here, depending on, I'm looking at first differences to find out what letter would belong here, right? So again, if I have the 9th letter and then 12th and then 15th here, I definitely see a pattern here, right? I see a pattern, it's increasing by a factor of 3, right? So if I'm increasing by 3 here, 15 plus 3 here would give me the 18th letter of the alphabet. So after O, so O, P, Q, and then R here would be my solution here. So again, solution here is R. So this solution is correct, right? Because R here is the 18th letter of the alphabet, and this here would be my solution here. And if I wanted to kind of make a formula to figure this out, I would basically say that the first number here, the first numbers would basically follow the formula. This would be simply just be n plus 1. And then where n is basically the step increment for this here. So at 0 it would be 1, at 1 it would be 2, and so on and so forth. And every other one it starts as a letter, right? So if I'm starting at I, it would be I would basically have to denote that I'm starting at I. So I can say that letters here would follow the formula. This would be n plus 9, right? Where n here would be, again, my first step, which is 0. First step is 0. So I sub in 0 here, 0 plus 9 here is 9. It would correspond to the 9th letter of the alphabet. So these two terms would help me figure out basically this sequence here. So n plus 1 and n plus 9 here. So the solution here is correct. And good analysis here. So that's question 7.